Hi all, Panasonic model ER1411 haircut machine. I checked the transformer. It is working properly, which means I can see voltage output, but I can't see anything. No light on the haircut. I will show you. So here is the voltage, DVM, I connect, and 5.7 volt. This is okay, DC, it's a DC voltage. Now I'm connecting, no light, no charging, so something is bad here, which is probably something with the batteries. Probably I don't think that it uses a lithium battery, because usually this instrument doesn't use lithium battery, and I'm not sure, by the way. Usually it's nickel metal hydride batteries, but we will soon find out. So do I open it? First time ever that I'm opening this machine. I didn't open it before, never. I think it's more than 10 years, so probably you don't expect the battery, maybe even more. You don't expect the batteries to work so long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Yeah, 5 screws, 5 IC. Okay, so 2 here after you remove the head, and 2 additional here, and 1 here on this side. And it goes out. What? Who said that I did not? Oh, because it looks like my batteries, so I'm not sure that I did not put these batteries here. Strange, because it looks like my batteries. It's so simple. Do you think it is so simple? Okay, let's try to put new batteries. Maybe at the same time can clean it a little. We will clean it, come back with new batteries, and then we test it. Okay, so you can see the metal here is very clean and shiny, and probably the contact is very well also here, but here something is wrong. So let's try to clean it with isopropyl. We'll see if this is not a corrosion that it goes off. You can see the tip looks much better now. I don't want to scratch it. Pretty interesting, this thing. Okay, maybe I will use a knife. It will be better. Looks like the metal already changed its colors. The best thing, of course, is to put a new metal, but I don't know if I can fit something. Maybe I will do something. Now I have something on my mind. I want to show you that first everything goes out, and then you see a lot of electronics here. It's not that simple, probably to control the battery charge. Most of the electronics here, yeah. Don't find any other things that important. And the PCB, it's a little tricky to replace this part of metal here. Yeah. Okay, maybe we can try to put these batteries. I think also should work, because yeah, maybe I will try new batteries. Okay, so by the way, how the power on works, here. Okay, so new batteries. Yeah, it should go like this. Let's see if it works. It is working. Let's see if the charging works now. Yeah, this is what was not working. I still have some you see, so we still have, you see the red light here, but we still have, yeah, you can see the light, yeah, but we still have some contact problem, because I feel that the battery is not catch very well. On this side it is okay. On this side because of this issue, I'm going to do this magic maybe, and to weld a nickel strip which will improve the contact. I don't want to ruin it too much. The best thing was, yeah, to disassemble the battery plastic and then weld it, but I really don't want to mess with it, and I will try just to, yeah, to weld it here. Let's see if we can do it. It's a little tricky, but yeah, but we have to improve the contact here because it doesn't look well. Let's see if we can do it and if it will be okay. Maybe I will try a bigger nickel strip, a wider one, I mean. Yeah, so first time I'm trying this, but let's see. Okay, so I'm taking one of my 1100 spot welders. I see it's on high watt. Maybe we'll reduce it a little. Yeah, and let's try to do it. It's a little tricky here. Also, how to put the camera while doing it. Wow, did you see it? Was not doing really well. It's a little tricky here, but I don't give up. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's a little stink here, but I think it did catch the place. And now is the real test. Yeah, this is here. Yeah, they are both on the same side. Interesting. Now I expect everything to be good. There is a polarity here, so I need to put everything back. Let's see if the LED is on now. Yeah, do you see? The LED is working. So the charging is okay. So everything is fixed, yeah. So you can do this magic. It's not an ideal. The ideal thing is to remove the PCB and to solder it to the PCB, a new one, but I think in my case this is the best option. So hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye.